Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix high system storage on Samsung Galaxy A53. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and search device care from here. Click on device care. Click on storage and click on clear cache. After clear cache device care, go back to home screen. You will see a problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. Click on reset and click on reset all settings. Reset setting, enter phone pin, click on continue and again click on reset. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, again click on settings app, click on software update and click on download and install. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so last solution is factory reset. Click on settings app, click on general management, click on reset and click on factory data reset. Click on reset, enter phone pin, click on continue and click on delete all. After the process, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.